Okay, so you guys already know what this is about, of course, because of the description and the name of the video. So it's the basic, to be honest. So I'm just gonna be doing noob to trill. So I actually just got done doing requests for like credits because I'm really poor right now, and tell me why I wasted like 10,000 credits yesterday, all on yesterday, just for shopping in the shop. And when I tell you I'm addicted, like there's no way around it. Like I'm just so addicted to like shopping for some reason. But um but I have to get this um this hair real quick. So let me buy it because this is the reason why I earned credits to get this hair that I really wanted. And yeah, I'm just gonna buy it real quick because I really wanted this hair. And I have the perfect skin, and this is not the skin I'm gonna be wearing anyways. This skin is, I had this for over a year now, so I really want to change it, and because it's getting old. And a lot of people want to know, like, what do I use to get this face and eyebrows and lips and nose piercing, skin complexion. Like, people want to know. So people just been texting me on Snapchat asking, like, what do I use? Like, how do I get to this person? So I'm going to tell you guys how to do that. So, of course, I am going to remove everything I am wearing. So I'm going to just be a noob. And I know what I was wearing, so I don't care. But of course, I am a female avatar, so I am going to leave the female avatar the way it is. And you guys are going to just see how I accomplish to get like this. Okay, so I'm gonna be right back because I am lagging. So okay, so now I just got done taking everything off. So this is how my new character looks. Okay, this is all new, and this is all the stuff that I have. And I have a lot of items, so I have a lot to start off with. So I want to start off with the avatar. So the avatar is just the the pose that you want for your characters. So I use you can really just go to the shop and type in poses and they come up. So that shouldn't be hard for you guys to do, but this pose is called the light, and I don't like that one though. I wanna use this one. It's like the two hips. I have two of my arms on my hips and my feet crossed. Okay? I look sad. What the fuck? Yo. Okay, so let's get started. The skin I will be using, I just bought it recently, earlier today. So I'm gonna be using this skin color. Okay, so that is the skin color. Okay, we're done with the skin. The head that I will be using is the Perfect Head and Raya head. Okay, see that? Okay. It's of course gonna look like this because that's just how it's gonna look because I'm noob right now. Okay, and these are the eyebrows that I'll be wearing. They're called Lee Dia eyebrows and Revisited brows. Well, it's not really revisited brows, it's just like black eyes. But I came, like on IMU, I came with this on my character. And I want the animated eye. It makes my eyes sparkle a little bit. The hair that I will be using, I'll come back to the hair and stuff. but really I need like scaliers. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to put 60 feet scalier on. So if you go to the shop, you put on 60 feet, and that is your 60 feet right there. Next, this is a combo scalier, so it's shoulders, arm width, and hands. So it makes my hands, my arms, and my shoulders very small. And that is it right there. Now, I use 160 head scalier, so that is my head. What else? And my body scalier, I use like a smaller scalier, like that small, so I'm gonna be that tall, but I think I'm gonna lower it down a little bit more. No, I like it like that. Okay. And what else? And my lips, this is my lip gloss that I use. It's just called lip gloss. I think I'm missing something. Oh yeah, my nails. I use Rude Girl nails. They're not long or nothing, so I like my watch. It's a gold watch. And I like my small waist to my body. And what else? I want my peony earrings on. I want my female voice box on. That's how we're looking right now. Butt scalier. So let's get into the what am I'm missing my lashes. Okay. So this is my bold lashes. These are my favorite lashes. I did buy these, and I forgot how much they were, but just put in bold lashes and they should come up. And yeah, I really do like that. This is my leg thigh scalier. So my leg thigh scalier is 1/400, and my hair that I'll be using is the newest hair that I got today, which is this. See? And the outfits I want to wear is, oh yeah, I want my poses. That's epic pose. Okay, now to the feet. My shoes that I will be wearing is my pink and white 12s. I really do love my pink and white 12s. And I am going to be wearing this outfit. Okay, this is super cute. Like, my butt is not that big, but when I do my poses, girl, these poses are like super cute on me. Okay, so this is the finished look. This is how I get my final look. And yeah, if you ever feel like you want to change up your looks, you can, but I really do love my look. So I'm just gonna keep posing for y'all so that you guys can see what y'all are looking at. Okay, this is what you guys are looking at right here. Okay, so to give y'all a better look, I'm gonna go out to like show you guys more of what my avatar is looking like. And if y'all have any questions, y'all can just comment below and tell me how you think about my avatar. Okay, so I'm in a chat room and this is just how it's looking. I think it looks really good, but I don't know why I'm floating in the air. And this is like a close-up one. It's like really lagging here, so just try not to get aggravated because people really aggravate me. I'm trying to sit the fuck down. Okay. Anyways, it looks really good. Other hand, if you guys have any questions about my avatar, please comment or say something because I would like to hear what you guys have to say. So bye, subscribe and like my video.